Hello guys, it's Shirley, and I'm going to do a good homemade squishy experiment. So, the 4 squishies I picked out today, four homemade squishies that I picked out today are this donut, and I also picked out this Rosama pancake or bun. This is really simple. And then I also picked out this miniature bun. And the things that I make my buns out of are stress balls, so that's why they're so small. So, because I only find small ones of these. So I have a bun. And then my last one is this sandwich for toast. I have another one, but it's like really defective, and I was gonna do this one, but it's like, yeah. So I'm gonna put these 4 squishies in the freezer. And then we're just gonna go ahead and take it out, and then okay, I put them in the freezer already. And I'm gonna leave them in there for like 5 minutes so we can take them out. So, while we're doing that, too much. While we're doing that, I'm going to show you my top 5 favorite squishies. My top 5 squishies. Well, one of my favorite squishies are in there, so yeah. First, I have this macaron. This one's really squishy. And then I have a bitten donut. And then I also have the sandwich that I showed you like a few minutes ago, but it's really defective, like it's crappy. Yeah, so I think like that's it. Top 5 favorite squishies. Oh, sorry. I have this toast. And then I also have, then my last one is this Pop-Tart, which is super squishy. So, yeah. got my package. I got my package. This is a real package. A real squishy package. So here it is. And I'm not going to do a video on it because like I did a squishy package already and I can't do any more squishy packages. So it will be more funner. Hey! This is Hello Kitty tape. It came as an extra from a package. So these are the stuff I got from my package yesterday. My first package yesterday. But since I'm at my mom's house and I left my squishies at my grandma's house, so yeah, but these are the things that I got. So I got that tape, so I just put it in a little tape thing. Let's clean this out. So yeah, I got that. That was in the package. So that's cool. Never mind. Put it in my. Then I also got this Rocco eraser. But I also got from her. This was it for a huge trade. So I got this Minecraft Xbox game. It was for a huge trade on the squishies. And once again, I didn't do a video on my squishy trade thing because I did it like a month ago, but I couldn't do a video on it. Yeah, it is. It came off. Hang on, not this. Well, anyways, we got that. Minecraft. Woo! Minecraft, Minecraft, Minecraft! Yes, the girls who like Minecraft. Who likes that? What? We got that. I'm gonna take a camera shot though. I always get wolf sometimes. And then what I also got from her, this was for the hugest, super huge trade ever. I got a tablet. It was for 50 of my squishies. Yeah, 50 of my squishies. And I can't do my squishy collection. But for rare, because Jamie bought them for me, so yeah. I own her. So yeah. Those for 50 squishies. Yeah. And I can't show you my squishy collection video because I'm at my house and I left them all in my grandma's house and I forgot where I put them. I put them like in a big huge container and now I can't find them, so yeah, but anyways. So I'm gonna have to keep looking for them. And also what I got was this lotion. By the way, this was not a trade. It was a trade, but like it was somebody else. So I got that lotion. Well, because I'm like. I am so glad I got this one. I traded her 3 squishies for her headband, her headband, her Minnie Mouse headband, and it lights up. And then this one, everybody, please don't yell at me, said, "Oh my God, you're not fair. Maybe you should really eat. You're such a bragger." Well, I am not. What I I got was the iPhone 5 for her. I traded all my squishies for this one.
My queen. Yeah. Show the box inside. God.
And I already took it out, but there's only a couple things left in it, so yeah. So what the only thing that's in it is the headphones. I really like the packaging for the headphones. Do you want to put it in?
You put it in wrong.
So yeah. And that's all the things I got. I think it's been 5 minutes already. I'm gonna take them out of all the stuff back. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Here are the 4 squishies. So here is the rubber for pancake. And I think this one didn't really change much. Oh, this is much squishier than it was before a little. Well, you can't tell when you're watching, but in my opinion, when I see it, it's actually really squishy. Well, so, yeah, that's that. I got the donut. It's so hard. Ugh. I can barely squish this one. It's the toast. And I think this one didn't really change. Oh, this one actually really changed. Yeah, that one did change. But at least it's the blend. This one didn't really change because I did the stress ball one before, but I didn't take video of it. But here it is. Ow, I cracked my finger from just fishing. But it didn't really matter. So, yeah, those are my fishing experience. Hope you guys enjoyed.